It is preferable to teach people the art of fishing rather than to give them a fish. Teach men how to catch fish, they would consume million years. Give men a fish, they would consume in a day. This is Professor Dr. Ghulam Akbar Mahesa, Professor, Department of Political Science, University of Sindh, Jamshoro. Today I would like to define my story. I got my early education from government primary school, Rafiq Mahesa. During the primary education, me and my friends established a cricket ground. We were playing a cricket ground. I was a fast bowler, and we introduced a culture of sports in a village. Then I joined Government High School Rafiq Mahesar in 1987, and in Government High School Rafiq Mahesar also, me and my friends involved in cricket and other sports categories. And we compete many sports championships at district level and Talka level and village level. I was involved in many extracurricular activities. For example, when I was in class 8, I participated at district level Government Murad High School, Gambut, in a debate competition. It was highly appreciated by the then director. So I was the first position holder in class 1 to class 6, 7, 8. I was always a first position holder. Then I joined Government Degree College, Pir Jagot. This is the story that my village is a very remote village in district Khairpur, and I have to go to join Government Degree College, Pir Jagot, with a distance of 15 kilometers. So there was a bus going from my village to Government Degree College, Pir Jagot. I used to go to walk 2 or 3 kilometers to reach at the bus. So I used to go there, and 15 kilometers used to go and study Government Degree College. On my insistence, the driver of the bus decided to pick me up at my village. So 2 years, first year and second year, I completed my FSc in pre-medical Government Degree College, Pir Jagot. I was also very active in the extracurricular activities. I had honor to be champion of 2 years in Sindhi, Urdu and English debate competitions at Government Degree College, Pir Jagot. I had honor that I was awarded 15,000 rupees prize cash by the former commissioner, Mr. Nisar Ahmad Siddiqui, in the Sindhi, Urdu and English Siratul Nabi conference at Government Degree College, Pir Jagot. So this was the story. Then I completed my graduation from Shah Abdul Latif University and then moved to Hyderabad. I remained in Hyderabad. I came to Hyderabad in 1996. I got a rented flat. Then I decided to invite my brother to join me in Hyderabad. My brother, now he's an electrical engineer, an engineering manager. After completing FSc, he joined me. Then I invited my another brother, second brother, who is also a senior medical officer, to live with me in Hyderabad. Then I invited to my third brother, who is now assistant director in National Transmission and Dispatch Company as an HR and administration officer. I also rented a house. I also supported my younger sisters. My 2 younger sisters, they are MSc in biochemistry, MBA, and the youngest one is a BCS and MBA from University of Sindh. So this is the contribution of a person. I got admission in University of Sindh. I was supporting my family. I was looking after the resources of my family. I joined University of Sindh, and I was lucky to be appointed as a lecturer in Department of Political Science in September 2000. In September 2000, after 9/11, there was the Solidarity Day. Sindh University was observing a Solidarity Day. So once a Dean Faculty of Social Sciences led Professor Iqbal Ahmad Qureshi, he visited our department. He was the professor of the Political Science Department. He said that we have been instructions that some professor of the Department of Political Science may deliver a presentation on Solidarity Day. I said, sir, I would like to discuss on Solidarity Day. In Institute of Physics, I delivered a presentation of 15 minutes on Solidarity Day, and former Vice Chancellor Mr. Mazhar-ul-Haq Siddiqui came to my office and he encouraged me the way I spoke in my presentation in 2001 on Solidarity Day. Then I had accompanied Mr. Mazhar-ul-Haq Siddiqui, former Secretary Establishment Division, former Secretary Cabinet Division, and remained 13 years as the Vice Chancellor, University of Sindh, Jamshoro. Vice Chancellor Mr. Mazhar-ul-Haq Siddiqui requested me to join me as a secretary to Vice Chancellor. First of all, I refused that I am a university teacher, I would like to do teaching and research. But his insistence, I accepted his proposal and worked with Mr. Mazhar-ul-Haq Siddiqui as a secretary to Vice Chancellor in 2002 to 2005, where the stories about learning process from former Secretary Establishment, from former Vice Chancellor, I learned the communication skills, I learned drafting, I learned the administrative functions as in charge of Vice Chancellor's Secretariat. I was a young, and Mr. Siddiqui was teaching me every aspect of administrative and the communications. So I had the honor that I had learned and worked with a very seasoned and learned person at a university level. Then I continued my journey as a lecturer. I participated in conferences in national level. I had the opportunity in 2008 when US State Department invited me as international visitor leadership program US elections 2008. As an international observer, I was leading the international delegation and went to United States of America and observed US presidential elections. I observed US presidential elections from Washington DC to San Francisco, the political system of United States of America, and it was very interesting and professional exposure for a young teacher who has been teaching political systems of developed and developing countries. On my returning to my home, I submitted a report to the government of Pakistan. I have been suggested various proposals in the electoral reforms in the election process of the state of Pakistan. I was promoted to the post of assistant professor. Then I was promoted. I completed my PhD on dialogue between India and Pakistan, a solution of Kashmir issue. So we have been talking about the contributions I have been contributing, and in my PhD recommendations, I have been appointed as a professor BPS 21 in March 2018 as the highest position as a university professor in the Department of Political Science. Before this, I had worked as secretary to Vice Chancellor, then professor in charge Arts Faculty Building. The important aspect, 3 years I worked as a professor in charge Arts Faculty Building. I established Teachers Cafeteria at Arts Faculty Building, and I worked day and night to improve the infrastructure and provide facilities to students and academia. I worked as director, Area Study Center, Far East and Southeast Asia. I had the honor to establish and approve first MPhil and PhD program in Far East Asian Studies at Area Study Center, Far East and Southeast Asia, approved by Academic Committee, Board of Governors, Board of Faculty of Social Sciences and Academic Council, and NOC by Higher Education Commission. I established 17 research desks of various countries at Area Study Center, Far East and Southeast Asia. I have been working on different assignments. I remained 2 years as a president, Pakistan-US Alumni Network, Jamshoro chapter, Hyderabad and Mirpur Khas divisions. I worked with US Embassy, organized many seminars, conferences, symposiums, and brought better understanding between Pakistan and American relations in. I remained Joint Secretary, Sindh University Teachers Association 3 years, especially to work for the betterment of teaching community. My story is about inspiration of my students, that a son of a school teacher, a son of Hafiz Ghulam Qadir Mahesar, who is an Oriental teacher from village Rafiq Mahesar, he got his education from Government Degree College Pir Jagot. Then he moved to Hyderabad. He supported his brothers and sisters. I supported my family financially, intellectually as a guide. My message to my students, my message to my Pakistani fellows, that after completing your FSC, you come to join Sindh University, Shah Abdul Latif University, you complete your BSc. For example, at 18 years of age, you complete your FSc, you move to the university. For next 4 years, you complete your BS degree, or 5 years to MS degree, or 7 years to Doctor of Philosophy. You complete your degree in any discipline, in political science, in economics, in sociology, in chemistry. Every discipline has a scope. If you work hard, if you start this initiative, and if you are willing, and if you have a goal to establish your profession, you have a scope. Now this is a simple formula. You get admitted in a university, you complete your BSc. When I came in Hyderabad in 1995, I used to study Allama Daud Bota Library 16 to 17 hours. On working days, I was studying 16 to 17 hours. Believe me, within 3.5 years, I got appointment as a lecturer, Department of Political Science, on merit. Within 3.5 years, I completed my MSc, I completed my master's in political science. Now this is a story of a villager who contributed, who performed his career, who reached at the highest level at the university professor in BS 21, who had worked hard, who also contributed and supported his family, his brothers and his sisters. I am a villager. I was getting less than 1,000 rupees from my father. I used to go to take tuitions in my neighboring areas from early 2 or 3 years. I'm a best cook. I can cook. Early 3 or 4 years I was cooking myself. Still I'm ironing my clothes, doing everything myself. So in a working society, what is the difference? I remained in America many years. What is the difference in American society? People are working. I was in New York, beside me a house of a senator in America, senator of New York State. His son was selling newspapers. The working society in Pakistan, what is the poverty? We are 5 brothers and 3 sisters. My father was a school teacher. We got admitted. We got highest qualification in education and got jobs. My younger brother, I told you, was a student of political science, and he is now senior superintendent of police in Kotia. My second younger brother, he is an electrical engineer and now working as engineering manager, Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation. Third one is a senior medical officer in Karachi, and last one is a assistant director, HR and admin, National Transmission and Dispatch Company. Now this is the miracle of education, that you join the university. You don't have resources, and what is the resources? You work out. We are 5. My father was a 1, and we we have to create a working society that nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. You wake up today, you start up today, you decide to join Sindh University, Shah Abdul Latif University, Karachi University, Punjab University, Peshawar University. You get admitted any department, any institute, any center, in any university, in any department. You improve your communication skills. I would like to invite my final year students in America. University students, they are working as a teaching assistants with professors. We don't have a culture. Why MPhil and PhD students, I would like to invite my PhD and MPhil students to work with me as my assistants. So formula is very simple. You get started, you show your willingness, and you design your goal. You can become senior superintendent of police. You can become a major in Pakistan Army. You can become electrical engineer. You can become medical officer. You can become university professor in political science. You can become university professor. You can become a vice chancellor of Sindh University. So you have a choice. You stand up. You take a decision. Nothing is impossible. A person who is a school teacher can become senior superintendent of police. A person who is a son of a school teacher can become electrical engineer, a doctor, and do anything. And believe me, I had decided to become a teacher by choice. Otherwise, I had many opportunities to join other professions. And those people, they are thinking that we have a various problems, that society is divided. Without approach, you cannot go to get admission in university. Nothing. My fellows, my Pakistanis, I had a story, and I would like to invite you sometime to visit my village, Rafiq Mahesar. Your all questions will be answered. That from village Rafiq Mahesar, people can be qualified, can struggle, and become at the highest level and will be successful. Things are not difficult, only you have to weigh out, only you are in search of role models. You listen stories, you read books, you watch movies. A person's, for example, 193 members of United Nations, 193 people established, created 193 countries of the world. Professor Stanley Woolpert said, few individuals significantly alter the course of history. Fewer still modified map of the world. Hardly anyone can create a nation state. Muhammad Ali Jinnah did all three. Thank you very much.